Osaka has been Japan's commercial hub since olden times, and this commercial heritage is still alive and strong in the bustling metropolis today. Visitors to Osaka can be entertained by the diverse shopping scene, and not only that, visiting the different shopping spots like department stores, shopping arcades, and markets are also a way to learn more about Japanese culture and gain insights into the different aspects of the local traditions. One place to get an all-in-one culture course is the high-end department store. Long-established department stores like Takashimaya carry a broad range of products and brands spread across multiple floors, where one can get an overview of the current trends in food, fashion, and household goods. Not only that, visitors will also get to experience the good service that is synonymous with shopping in a department store. From Kansai International Airport, we take the train right into the heart of Namba. There, we head to a local food market, a museum located in a heritage building, then check out a street selling kitchenware, and end the day in the comfort at one of the symbols of the Namba area, one of the flagship stores of Takashimaya, Japan's leading department store operator. My name is Raina Ong, and join me as I head to the southern downtown area of Osaka for a one-day Japanese culture tour through shopping in Namba. One of the fastest ways to get to central Osaka from Kansai International Airport is to take the Nankai Rapide, a limited express train which terminates at Namba Station, the heart and center of southern downtown Osaka. So the train ride from the airport to Namba Station where I am now took like about 30 minutes, which is super fast. And now we have the whole day to explore Namba. Let's go! Kuromon Ichiba is an approximately 600-meter-long public market in the Namba area, which was established about 200 years ago. It is said that the market's name, Kuromon, which literally translates to Black Gate, comes from its proximity to a black lacquered gate of a nearby temple. Today, about 150 shops line the lively arcade offering fresh seafood, meat, seasonal fruit and vegetables, and daily necessities. And of course, true to Osaka's reputation of kuidaore, Kuromon Market has plenty of affordable restaurants and street food options, and visitors can look forward to sampling the local and seasonal delights. I'm here in Kuromon Market, and you can't come here and not sample the local food. So, itadakimasu! A stone's throw from the southern end of Kuromon Market is the Takashimaya East Building. Designated an important cultural property, the East Building was built in 1937 to house a department store and was built in the European architecture style with Art Deco interior design. It's a great place to see how Japanese design and materials are integrated into the opulent and modern styles of the early 20th century up close. The East Building contains a hotel and the Takashimaya Archives, a museum about the Takashimaya department store, and I popped by to see the historical building and visit the museum. Permanent and temporary exhibitions in the museum showcase the history of Takashimaya through the centuries, as well as Japanese art and culture through paintings, sculptures, and exquisitely embroidered kimono fabric, amongst others. The rose is one of Takashimaya's symbols, and you can see it on the wrapping paper and paper bag. It's pretty iconic, and you're going to be seeing it everywhere now that you know. The current design that we see today is the fourth iteration of the rose design. I wonder how many rose-related symbols I'll see at the department store later. Just 5 minutes away on foot from the East Building is Doguyasuji, our next stop. So Doguyasuji, or Kitchenware Street, started off as a place where you could buy secondhand stuff about 150 years ago, and over time evolved to sell kitchen-related products. Let's go and see what they have inside. Doguyasuji is a shopping street specializing in kitchenware and equipment for the food service industry, and is said to contain the most varieties of kitchen goods in the Osaka region. From the everyday kitchen knife to specialized restaurant equipment to clothes and decoration, there is no doubt that you can find all things kitchen-related here. Doguyasuji is not just for pros. Us regular folk are also welcome to peruse the goods and buy some fun kitchen stuff unique to Japan. Takashimaya was founded in 1831 as a humble, small, second-hand clothing and cloth store, and has evolved over the centuries to be a high-end department store while still catering to the sartorial needs of the population. The products available at the department store range from everyday to luxury items, and there's sure to be something for everyone. Takashimaya's flagship store opened about 100 years ago in Osaka's Namba district, where it still stands today. Perhaps for many, one of the more fun and interesting areas of a department store is the basement food section, commonly referred to as depachika. Depachika is a portmanteau of depa for department store and chika, which means basement. And that's where I start. The variety of food and edible souvenirs can be overwhelming, but it just goes to show how food is used as a form of communication in Japan. The beautifully presented foods give an idea of what the local and regional specialties are, as well as the typical home-style dishes. One of my favorite sections in a depachika is the Japanese traditional sweets or wagashi section. Now, wagashi is sold all year round, but the varieties available are all seasonal. Moving up from the depachika, I visit the cosmetics and fashion floors. It goes without saying that big international brands can be found in department stores like Takashimaya. Another section worth checking out in a department store is the kimono section, where one can find quality kimono and kimono accessories. It can also be interesting to see the various styles and colors worn for the different occasions and ceremonies. The section also offers some nice souvenirs and knickknacks made with kimono material. Over in the home goods section, I look at kitchenware and furniture, which give me an idea of what a Japanese person might furnish their home with and the traditional styles that have withstood the test of time. Finally, if you're ever at a loss for what to eat or have no idea where to go, the restaurant floors in a department store are always a good place to start. There's usually something for everyone, and the menus are not too difficult to figure out thanks to the menu displays at the front of the restaurant. And that was our one-day Japanese culture tour through shopping in Namba. Thanks for joining me. I hope this video has been enjoyable and perhaps even inspire some ideas should you decide to plan a trip to Osaka. For more information about this trip or to watch another video, click the links on the screen now or head over to japanguide.com, your comprehensive, up-to-date travel guide firsthand from Japan. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell for more videos about Japan. Happy travels!